Ever since I switched to this payment processor called Deposit, everything fell apart. I used to wake up every day stressed about fees, surprise holds, shutdown, bouncing between PayPal and Stripe mood swings. You know, the normal life of a digital entrepreneur. Then Deposit told me about this thing called dual pricing. Apparently, everyone was doing it except me.
It's where you pass a tiny fee to customers and you keep 100% of the sale.
And now I don't pay any processing fees. Zero. Nothing. And honestly, it completely ruined my personality. What am I supposed to do with all this money now that Deposit isn't draining me 3 to 4% like everyone else? I bought a second car, a third coffee machine. I have so much jewelry on, I have back pain. I look like a rapper who sells coaching funnels.
And the worst part, my account hasn't been shut down once. I used to get a little thrill wondering if my payments would disappear out of nowhere.
Now it's stable and reliable. Disgusting. Meanwhile, PayPal's over here pretending they love you, then dumping you for violating terms because you dared to have a big launch. Cute.
And Deposit's customer service?
Horrible.
I called to complain about how much extra spending money I have now because of them, and a real human answered in like 30 seconds. I wanted 3 hours of elevator music, not efficiency.
So now I'm stuck here. No fees, no shutdowns, no stress, just making money like a boring, responsible adult. Honestly, I'm exhausted.
If you're a coach, consultant, or agency and you don't want more profit, more stability, or humans who actually answer the phone,
Absolutely do not learn more about Deposit. Seriously, stay allergic to extra money.